Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Courtney and today I will be doing my updated makeup routine. So this is going to be a mix between a going out slash an everyday. It'll be using a lot of products, so I will be doing like a full coverage type thing, but I don't usually do eyeshadow or anything like that, so it's not going to be a dramatic look or anything. But I'm super excited for this video. I found a new makeup routine that is Chef's Kiss and I got a lot of comments on it, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I do. My face is already prepped. I did my skincare and everything a while ago and made sure my skin is moisturized. Okay, so to start, I'm going in with my Milk Hydro Primer and I'm just going to do maybe 3 or 4 pumps. I will say that the base is the most important part of your makeup. I am not like a makeup guru or anything. I just do what looks good for me, what looks good and what works for me. But I have noticed that whenever my skin is really moisturized, that's the better my makeup looks, if that makes sense. I am going to start with my eyebrows. I am using the Kosas Brow Pop. I will say, to preface this, if you like how your brows are looking, do not follow me because my brows are the one thing that I can get better at. I don't usually like get them done because I feel like they honestly look fine, but I was just talking to my best friend and I was telling her that I want to get like a brow lamination or something, just because I feel like my brows can really elevate my face, since it's the one thing I don't really, pay attention to. So if you guys have ever gotten a brow lamination, like how did it go? Give me the tea. Should I do it? Is it worth it? Let me know. But anyways, all I do is kind of like make the shape that I want, and then I'm going to go over, outline it with some concealer. So okay, so after just filling in the gaps, I'm going to go ahead and mix these 2 concealers. So I'm gonna mix my Tarte Shape Tape and then this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I am just mixing it because the Shape Tape is very bright. The Shape Tape is what I use under my eyes usually, but the NARS is like the perfect shade, so I kind of want to balance between the two for the outline of my eyebrows. Alright, so next I am going to go into foundation. I am using the Lancome Ultra Wear foundation, and this one is in 540. Okay, I honestly feel like this Lancome foundation, I don't know if it's the foundation or the fact that it's the best match for my skin, but it fits. It just looks like skin, like it looks so smooth. It's like flawless, you know, so I love it. All right, next I am going to go in with highlighter. So I am using my Fenty Pro Filter concealer and my Tarte Shape Tape that I just used. My Fenty is in 390 and then my Shape Tape is in 53N Deep. So the Fenty is a little bit brighter in my opinion, so for this one, I do highlight like the whole under eye area. I'm actually about to run out of this. It's getting low, but and then with my Fenty, I go in solely under my eyes, the inner corners. And then I let it sit for a bit just to kind of dry up a little. So while that's drying, I'm going to go in with some contour. So this is the Kat Von D Full Coverage Concealer in Deep 195. And with this concealer, with this contour, I don't do too much because it is very dark and a little goes a long way. So I just do a couple dots. In my contour areas. So I'm not sure where I got this brush from. I got it, I think, off of like Shein a few years ago. But I'm just going to go ahead and blend my contour, not my contour, my highlight. And then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender for my inner corners. For my contour, I will go in with my contour brush from Sephora, and I will go ahead and contour in those areas. Honestly, liquid contouring was a game changer for me. I used to use powder and like a cream contour, but my skin can get on the dry side, so it never was that flawless blend or flawless look for me. But this contour has been amazing for me. So this side I put a little too much on my cheek, so I'm going to go back in with my Tarte under my eye areas. I'm going to blend that out. Okay, so that looks a lot better. So I forgot about my nose. I'm going to go in with a tiny bit of the Kat Von D to contour my nose. And I really like to let this dry a lot, so I will keep it on for a while. So for my eyes, I love like a smudgy look. So what I do is I'm not too precise with the liner, but I just do like a small wing and then I smudge out the wing. And clean it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush out the contour of my nose. I like to let this dry a lot because for my contour, I'm really not too precise. I just like to kind of like brush it out, and the dryness just doesn't make it move too much, so it just makes it easier. And I do like to bring it up to my eyebrows just to give it that elongated contour look. I'm going to go in and bronze my face with the Benefit Hula Toasted. And I'm just going to use the contour brush that I've been using for my contour. And with my bronzer, I literally just go over my contour. All right, now I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier powder. And this is the one in medium deep. And I just pat in the places that I went in with my highlighter. And now for my personal favorite, I go in with the NARS Dulce de Vida blush. And then I'm just going in with a Real Techniques brush. This is number 206. And I'm very generous with my blush. And I really like to put it on my nose as well. It just gives that like rosy look. And then I also like to pair it and put it on my eyes as well. I don't do any specific look, but I just make sure I put some on my eyes. Right, and I do not have lashes and I don't want to put any on right now, so I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Pumped Up mascara. I like to start far because you never know how it's gonna come out. Okay, now lastly for lips, I have a few different options. I really like this e.l.f. plumping gloss. As you can see, I'm almost out of it, but I really like this if I'm wearing it by itself. If I want to layer, I use this Dior Nude Look Matte Lipstick. It's a really pretty nude color. And then also for everyday, which is probably what I'm going to use today, I use this Dior Lip Glow in 12, which is Rosewood. And this is what this one looks like. And then I also have my Ami Cole lip gloss. I usually use this lip gloss layering over the Dior, just because it gives a better glossy look. So I'm gonna go in with my lip glow by Dior. It's very pink without doing a lot, so. And then just cause I'm gonna go over with my e.l.f. plumping, I honestly love the sparkle in this. Plus the plumping effect, it gives a really pouty look, which I love. So that's the finished look. Let's go in some different lighting so we can see what it's looking like. So this is just in some natural lighting. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. I believe I went through all of the products, but if I'm missing anything, please just let me know in the comments. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.